So this is what I'm doing. I'm gluing these now, and these boards are a little bowed, so I am staking those. I'm drilling and putting countersunk screws in between. Just 3 on the boards that are real good and straight, but on the ones that aren't, I put up to 10 in one board. Having to bend it all over the place. So that's what's going on. I've got say 3, 4 more boards to do, and this is where this bar height table goes. Getting rid of this love seat and bar height table there, and then it'll have basically the same legs. It won't have this middle board under it, but build these again, and just do half the leg essentially with just one 2x4 running up against the wall. But this 45 will handle any pressure that's against it on the top and bottom. So that's what's going on right now. So just waiting on some glue to dry so I can remove clamps and go to the next boards. Anyway, hopefully, I'm hoping that I can get this sanded tomorrow. But we just have to see what it's like. You know, all these little ridges have to be sanded down too. So anyway, but just on the top and the ends. What the ends look like here. So anyways, that's going pretty good.